Evo jutros ogromna hrpa tu bila, 4 kubika betona, sad sve otišlo. Good morning, welcome back to our Croatian homestead. This morning I'm making peka for the guys. We've been chatting about it yesterday and said, let me make you one for you, the way I make it, the way I learned how to make. And then I'll show you how far we came with the build. And we've done quite well actually. Yesterday I haven't been able to record too much, just too busy. But I'll show you today. Only bad thing that happened is one of the guys that was here yesterday, it's his birthday today. And he's gonna visit a dentist, so he's not here. So, and I was hoping he would be here to try it. And then another one left about half an hour ago. He didn't feel well. It's not from my food. I can assure you that because they haven't eaten it yet. So let me get this stuff ready and then we'll go from there. The bricks are quite wet, so I'll have the fire going a little bit longer so the bricks dry out and they heat up and they don't cool off my peka. An interesting thing about this peka, I have taken it in a suitcase, all this and that over there, and took it to Australia. So I have it in Australia, bought in Bosnia on a street, and we used it, and now it's back here in Croatia. Slowly we are getting ready. There is no secret recipe for this. Basically we are putting in what we like to eat. A lot of onion, carrots, potatoes, some peppers. Sometimes we put even sweet potatoes in it, and a little bit of garlic, and basically that's all it goes in there. This time I'm gonna put a pork shoulder in. You can put any meat, there is no reason to do whatever you like. And I hope the workers will like it. I mean, I'm not doing anything special. This is what we like and how we like the recipe to be, and that's all. You can basically make your own the way you want it or whatever you like to do. I like to, when I do mine, I like to sizzle the meat a little bit so it gets a little bit of baked crust on it, or how to say it, and before I put everything in and cover it and put water in it. So it just gives it a little bit of extra flavor, that's all. The ingredients or the seasoning, salt, pepper, and I put a little bit of vegeta on the vegetables, and that's all I do. Let's see what I've made here and see if it's gonna look any good or be any good. Oh, this is perfect. So another day is finished. We were 2 men short today, but hey, it is what it is. Lots of work still got done. All the load bearing columns are poured and finished. We've got to form that column there, fix that up and pour it before we start on this slab here. We've got to form the beams above these windows here, and then that's basically it. The rest is all formed up or poured. It's slowly taking shape. Beautiful weather today, and guys looked really happy with the food, so I think that hit the spot. So because the guys were happy, maybe I should make a cooking channel. Why? There is like a lot of cooking channels in nature, on the beach. I'll be a cook on the construction site. Why not? I mean, it's an original. No one is cooking on a construction site yet, so maybe it will be interesting. I'll be making maybe Stevo Karapanja. It's a Croatian chef. No, just kidding. We formed something up, we've taken some formwork off, we did some bricklaying. I did a little bit of cleaning here, and yeah, really happy with the day. As the day is slowly going to an end, I'll be packing up and wrapping the video up here. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.